What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Caleb, only certified, and this video is going to be what I made from 100,000 views on a video. About a week ago, my first ever video reached 100,000 views. And I've been monetized for a while now, so we can see exactly how much we've made from this one video. So I'm a tech YouTuber, and I make videos on how to get into the industry, tech certifications, roadmaps, day in the lives, you name it. And tech happens to be one of the categories that pays the most to creators, along with finance and some other categories as well. So here is the video that I'm talking about. It's called From No Experience to Cloud Engineer, Step-by-Step Roadmap. Right now, the video has over 106,000 views. Crazy. And the video is basically a guide for taking someone from no experience to a cloud engineer. How to go about it, what courses to do, what to study, what to learn, that kind of thing. Crazy, because when I made this video, I had no idea it would go this far. I thought, maybe 1 or 2,000, 100,000, crazy. And it's still going. I'm not going to bore you guys or waste your time. Let's get right into the details. So from over 100,000 views, this video has made me over $787 and 14 cents. I'm saying this in dollars because the majority of my audience is American. But when we change this to pounds, it comes to 623 pounds. Wow, that's quite a crazy amount for me. I did not expect to be making that kind of money from one video. And the video is still going. Now, one of the things I always say about content creation is that it is a marathon and not a sprint. If we look at the digits of what I made in the first week of this video, I literally made $28. Who would have known that this would have gone to over $700? Now, this video did quite well in my opinion in the first week. It got about 1,500 views and I thought, wow, it's doing well. But about a week later, it started to really pick up. And at one point, it was getting about 2,000 views a day. This is the thing about YouTube. You don't know which video is going to do really well. You don't know which one's going to blow up. You don't know which one is going to get you thousands of views. You don't know which one you're going to earn a lot from. And all you can really do as a creator is put out as much quality content as possible and see what you get from that. So if you stumbled across this video on your For You page and you're more interested in YouTube revenue, I hope you've enjoyed this video. But if you happen to be interested in the tech industry as well, and cloud computing and cybersecurity and tech, then please subscribe to the channel and there'll be so much more of that. But if you are just interested in YouTube revenue and you just want to see how this channel is earning and growing in terms of monetization and revenue, every now and then I put out a video saying how much I've earned or how the channel is growing or how it's doing on YouTube, and I'll put them all in this playlist. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.